Hello everyone, my name is Pirisani Jamukar. Today date is 10 February 2022. Today topic is difference between for loop, while loop and do while loops. This is original video. Loops in Java. Looping in programming language is a features which facilitate the execute of set of instruction function repeatedly while some condition evaluate to true. Java provide three ways of execute the loop, while all the ways provide the similar basic functionality. They different their syntax and conditional check time. For loop, the for loop provide the consist way of writing the loop structure. Unlike a while loop, a for statement consume the initialization condition and increment decrement in one line provide a shorter easy to debug structure of looping syntax for initialization condition, testing condition and increment decrement. Open curly bracket statement, close curly bracket. Execution of program. Initialization condition. Here initialize the variable is used. It marks the start of for loop. And already declared variable can be used. A variable can be declared local to loop only. Testing condition. It is a use for testing the exit condition for loop. It is a must. Return a boolean value. It is also entry control loop, as in condition in check to the execute of the loop statement. Statement execution. Once the condition is execution is true, the statement in loop body is execute. Increment and decrement. It is used for updating the variable of our next iteration. Loop termination. When the condition become false, the loop terminal make the end of its life cycle. While loop. A while loop is control flow statement that allow code of execute repeatedly based on given boolean condition. The while loop can be a repeating its statement. Syntax is while open boolean condition, open curly bracket, open curly bracket, the loop statement and close curly bracket. While loop start with the checking of condition. It is executed true then the loop body statement execute the otherwise first statement following the loop is executed. For the reason it is called entry control loop. Once the condition is evaluated to true, the statement in the loop body are executed. Normally the statement contain an update value of the variable being processed for next iteration. When the condition becomes false, the loop terminal which make the end of the life cycle. Do while loop. Do while loop is a similar to while loop with only difference that is check for condition after executing the statement, and therefore is the example of exit control loop. Syntax. Do open curly statement curly while condition execution. Execution do while loop start with the execute of the statement. There is no checking of any condition for first time. After the execute of statement and update of the variable value, the condition is check for true or false value. If it is the evaluate the true, next iteration of loops is start. When the condition become false, the loop terminal which make the end of the life cycle. Importance of note that the do while do while the execute it is statement at least once before any condition is checked, and therefore is an example of execute control loop. Thank you.